One, two, three. Okay.
Hi, good afternoon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa school at panonorin natin ang final output requirements ng mga students sa Politics and Governance connected with our lesson about civil society. Our basic rights according to based on our Constitution, Article 3, Section 2 to 4, the freedom of expression, any grudges and anything against the government, abuses or anything. Tignan natin yung pila nila ngayon.
Itbulaga.
Oo, kasi wala siyang OOTP.
Ikaw muna.
So dito tayo at dito lang